Are you ready to boost your income using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online using ChatGPT, OpenAI's amazing artificial intelligence tool. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or just looking for side income, stay tuned for step-by-step methods you can start today. First, let's quickly cover what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot created by OpenAI that can help you with various tasks like writing, coding, creating content, and even providing customer support. Imagine having a virtual assistant available 24/7 but with the power to process and create content in seconds. Now, let's dive into 5 practical ways you can use ChatGPT to make money online. First up, freelance writing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have thousands of writing jobs posted daily. ChatGPT can help you create high quality articles, product descriptions, and blog posts in no time. Simply enter the topic and let ChatGPT generate drafts that you can refine and sell to clients. Next is blogging. If you've always wanted to start a blog but didn't know where to begin, ChatGPT can help you generate blog ideas, create posts, and even handle SEO optimization for keywords. This will save you hours of work while keeping your content fresh and relevant. The more traffic your blog gets, the more you can earn through ads and affiliate marketing. Social media management is another excellent opportunity. Businesses are always looking for managers to handle their online presence. With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate engaging posts, hashtags, and captions for multiple social media platforms. This allows you to take on more clients without burning out. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate passive income. By partnering with companies and promoting their products, you earn a commission on every sale. ChatGPT can help you craft persuasive product reviews, emails, and landing pages to boost conversions. Finally, there's online course creation. If you have expertise in any field, you can create and sell courses online. Use ChatGPT to outline lessons, create course materials, and even write scripts for your video tutorials. The best part? Once the course is live, it becomes a source of passive income. Getting started with ChatGPT is super easy. Just go to chat.openai.com and sign up for free. Once you're logged in, start experimenting with different tasks and see how ChatGPT can save you time and boost your productivity. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings using ChatGPT. Refine the output. ChatGPT is great, but human editing is key. Polish the AI generated content to make it unique. Diversify your services. Don't just stick to one method. Offer multiple services to increase your income streams. Stay updated. AI technology is evolving fast, so stay informed about new features and updates from ChatGPT. And that's how you can start making money online with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more content on how to earn money online. Thanks for watching.